So the outcome is very interesting. So far, we have a lot of organizations that come to me to understand about design thinking, and we have different outcomes for different organizations. This client was from the government, and they come searching for design thinking mainly is to learn about efficiency and productivity, where design thinking can really help to empathize their end users better. And therefore, we have provided them with a systematic way of understanding a process as well as understanding the pain points as a result. Then comes another group of people that's very interesting, and this is the movement of innovation, where we have big corporations like a big MNC firm from printing industry or from the entertainment industry, and they come in and they want to learn about how to offer better value for their customers. So therefore, better customer experience and innovation comes in as a package where we incorporate design thinking to help organizations think in that manner and become better at it. And last but not least, right, we have individuals, right, who come in just for the sake of personally improving their level of problem solving. And design thinking is a very good way for you to have a sense of how to problem solve based on the needs of others. And we have a way to help you solve it.